Peace, everybody. Welcome to Ross Recording Studios. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, another exciting day. Amazon unboxing of the Amazon Echo. I had the Amazon Echo first generation, and that was pretty good. I like it. And Amazon Prime Day just happened, so you got to take advantage of the specials, right? If you're an Amazon Prime member, I am, and I saw the Amazon Echo, the big giant one for 200 bucks. I would love to get that, but really it's only 30% off. So, you know, I'm kind of disappointed. Amazon, you have Amazon Prime Day, you have your biggest Echo, only 30% off. You know, I thought you guys looked out for us members, but obviously not that one. But the Amazon Echo was on sale for 50% off. The Amazon Echo Dot is very cool, and that was only under 20 bucks. So, I want a Dot too, but what I like about the Amazon Echo, it's got 3 speakers. They all fire up. You got 1 woofer and 2 tweeters. You do not get that with the Dot. It's just 1 single speaker. So of course, you know, Ross Recording Studio, I can't buy the cheapest thing. I can't really afford the biggest one. So hey, we're gonna go right down the middle of the road. And you don't need a knife for this one. They have a nice pull tab. Amazon is always thinking, you know. They always are trying to make things easier for us, and there's one example. Kudos! Alexa is happy to help. Alexa, party music. Alexa, dim the lights. Yeah, I want to get one of the outlet things. And it says a lot more, and I can't read the fine print there. And yes, I just washed my hair, and I can't do a thing with it. I can rock. I can roll. Smart speaker and Alexa. All right. I wish I had another pair of glasses here. I might be able to read what's going on. Maybe. The updated design delivers clear highs and dynamic mids and deep bass for rich, detailed sound. Play music, check the weather, and access Alexa skills, all with your voice. Whoa, Alexa, play Chuck Ross from the first time I saw your face. Call friends and family hands-free, and plus use the built-in help to easily set up control compatible devices. And I know they didn't include it, but you can also place orders right on Amazon Alexa. So it's got 2.8-inch tweeters. A 3-inch woofer. That's pretty good for something this size. 3.5 line in and out. Okay, Bluetooth, hands-free, and a microphone off switch. Which my brother has one, Alexa, and I go down there after he gave me mine. I go, your Alexa's off. He goes, yeah, because it listens to everything I say. Okay. What are you saying that you don't want Alexa to hear? That's my philosophy on it. I don't care. People are so worried about that. I'll tell you, you got to be doing some pretty evil stuff to get to worry about what you're saying to Alexa. I could talk about selling marijuana. Nobody's going to care. Alexa don't care. All right, we got some brochures here. So this is very, very cool. I like it. It's kind of bigger than I thought, which is nice. According to the picture, it looks like this little rinky-dink thing. So it looks very cool. I like it. And I believe that is the color I chose. It doesn't say on the box, but I forget what color I chose. It wasn't white, so it is a little off-white. Oh, and it's got a little a screw hole for a tripod. Interesting. I did not know that. Important information. Should we read it? No. Hello? Well, maybe if it's important, all right, maybe we better read it. Important information. Blah, 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 blah. For Canadian customers, blah, blah, blah. Safety information, blah, blah. Instructions, blah, 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 blah. Do not expose your device to liquids, blah, blah, blah. Do not attempt to dry it with a device such as an external heat source, blah, 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 like a microwave oven or hairdryer, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm going to put that right in the microwave oven, blah, blah. Oh my God, idiots. Hello, English. Plug in your Echo. I've got the app. I believe I've already got the app on my phone, at least on my old phone. I do not have the app on my new phone. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness gracious. It probably won't take long to get the app on the new phone. Oh geez, I can't believe I forgot. Alexa. Install. I get the power cord out. Let's get the timer running. Let's see how long it takes to get Alexa up and running. Shouldn't take too awful long. Okay, works. It's a success. From the first time that you held my hand, I'd like to get to know her. I couldn't get you out of my mind and now you're such a sign. I was crazy to think this way. So you're so much older. I can just feel it inside me. Drive me crazy with the things you just say. You blow my mind. I want you inside me. I guess it's stereo because I hear my voice on the two channels. From the first time I looked in your eyes, I saw the moon, the stars, and those oceans. Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in Albany it's 84 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect some sun and thunderstorms, with a high of 87 degrees and a low of 66 degrees. By the way, you have 2 new notifications. Do you want to hear them?
Yes, I do. I've been notified.
2 new notifications. From Amazon Shopping. Echo has arrived.
Whoa!
There's a low price offer from your wish list. Algo magnetic screen door, heavy duty, 38 by 83 inch. It's $18 after $18.99 in savings, with delivery by July 15th. If this sounds good, just say, add to cart.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's my other notification?
To check your notifications, visit notifications settings in the Alexa app.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
How do astronauts blow their nose in space? Well, it's not rocket science.
And with that, peace out. Thanks for watching.